Have you ever wondered where those sweet, juicy kiwis or blueberries you enjoy come from? How are they grown and processed to get to you? Today we're going to explore two incredible fruit farms, showing you everything from planting, caring for, harvesting, and processing these delicious fruits. Let's dive into this exciting journey. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the process of growing and processing two popular and nutritious fruits, kiwis and blueberries. From the lush farms in New Zealand to the harvesting and packaging process, everything will be shared with you today. Let's get started. To grow kiwi, it's essential to build trellises for the vines. Kiwi plants are vines, so they need a support structure to grow properly. The trellises must be sturdy enough to support the weight of the plants and the fruit, while also ensuring adequate airflow and sunlight for healthy growth. Taking care of kiwi plants is very important, especially in the early stages. Farmers must water regularly and apply fertilizers to ensure the plants grow strong. A special part of kiwi care involves the use of pollination bees. These bees help pollinate the kiwi plants, ensuring the fruit develops uniformly and healthily. Harvesting kiwi requires great precision. The fruit must be picked at the perfect time to ensure the right sweetness and texture. We harvest the kiwis by hand to avoid damaging the fruit. As you can see, it's a very meticulous job that requires a team effort. After harvesting, the kiwis are sent to modern sorting machines. These machines automatically check the quality of each kiwi based on size, color, and ripeness. The machines help quickly and efficiently sort the fruit, ensuring that only the best kiwis are selected, while the ones that don't meet the standards are discarded. To turn fresh, delicious kiwis into juice, we first wash and peel the kiwis. Then the fruit is put into a juicer to extract the juice. Kiwi juice is a popular product because it's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a great health drink. The juicing process is carefully done to preserve the natural flavor and nutrients of the fruit. With all the care and effort, the kiwi farm has done its job. Now let's move on to another delicious and nutritious fruit, blueberries. Let's take a look at the process of growing and processing blueberries at a farm right here. Growing blueberries requires special conditions, particularly well-draining soil with a low pH. Just like kiwi, blueberries need careful attention to ensure they produce the best fruit. Blueberries thrive in cooler climates, so they need a suitable environment to grow. Taking care of blueberry plants requires special attention. They need to be watered regularly, but not overwatered, as they don't tolerate waterlogged soil. Additionally, organic fertilizers help the plants grow well and produce quality fruit. Pruning is also an essential part of blueberry care to give the plants enough space to thrive. Harvesting blueberries is a unique process. Instead of picking them by hand, we use mechanical tree-shaking machines to efficiently harvest the fruit. These machines gently shake the bushes, causing the blueberries to fall onto the ground, where they are then collected and sorted. After harvesting, the blueberries are sent to the sorting facility. The fruit is carefully checked for quality, with any damaged or unripe berries being removed. Then the blueberries are washed and packaged, ready to be sent out for export or turned into products like jams and smoothies. Before we finish, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the processes behind growing and processing fruits, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Which fruit do you like the most, kiwi or blueberry? I'd love to hear your thoughts. With all the patience and hard work, we can see that each kiwi and blueberry is the result of careful cultivation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something new today. See you in the next video.